Bones of the skull. Bones of the skull are divided into two groups: bones of cranium or brain box and bones of face. This is the diagram of bones of skull. Next, bones of cranium. Cranium is formed by 8 bones. They are 1 frontal bone, 2 partial bones, 2 temporal bones, 1 occipital bone, 1 sphenoid bone, 1 ethmoid bone. First, frontal bone. It forms the forehead and the roof of the orbit. This is the diagram of frontal bone. And next, partial bone. This is the diagram of partial bone. They are 2 in number. Both form the roof and side of the skull. And third, temporal bones. They are also 2 in number. They form low part of the side of the skull. They form low part of the side of the skull. Next, fourth, occipital bone. It is at the back and lower part of the corneal cavity. Next, fifth, sphenoid bone. It lies at the base of the skull. It forms a large part of middle corneal fossa. It contains 2 pairs of wing-like structures called greater and lesser wings. And last one, ethmoid bone. It is cubical in shape. It is very light and thin. It is situated at the roof of nose and in between the orbit. Next, move to saggers of the cranium. Saggers are the immovable joints which unite the bones of the skull. The important saggers are corneal sagger, sagittal sagger, lamboid sagger. Corneal sagger between the frontal bone and the 2 partial bones. Sagittal sagger between the 2 partial bones. And last, lamboid sagger between the occipital bone and the 2 partial bones. Next, move to bones of the face. The bones which makes the face are 14 in number. Those bones are 2 maxillae means upper jaw, 1 mandible lower jaw, 2 palate bones, 2 zygomatic bones, 2 lacrimal bones, 2 nasal bones, 2 inferior turbinate bones and 1 vomer. First, this is the diagram of left maxilla. Maxillae are 2 in number. Those bones form the upper jaw which is in pyramidal shape. This is the diagram of mandible. This bone forms the lower jaw and is only movable bone of skull. It contains a body which is the horizontal part in the center. It contains the lower teeth and forms the chin. Next, third one, palate bones. They are 2 in number. They form the roof of the mouth cavity and the hard palate. Next, zygomatic bones. They are 2 in numbers. They form a part of the floor of the orbit. They form a part of the floor of the orbit. Each of them contains a temporal process. This process joins with the zygomatic process of temporal bone and forms the zygomatic arch. Next, lacrimal bones. They are 2 in number, found in the interior of the orbit. It contains the lacrimal sac which secretes the lacrimal fluid. Nozzle bones. They are 2 in number. They forms the nozzle bridge. Next, inferior turbinate bones. 2 in number. They are also called as nozzle connach. They are found in the interior of the nozzle cavity. And last, Whammer. It forms the lower part of the nozzle septum.